dito tayo ulit sa mga fruits. Ito pa rin yung pineapple, oranges, lemon, and the baby. Sige tayo, inubos na to. Ang sarap na kasi. Ayaw tigilan. Best friends na kayo. Ani dada mo, baby?
My hair is crushing my brain. My hair is squeezing my brains into mush.
Hello everyone! Happy Saturday! So, Saturday ngayon. Sinabi ko ng happy Saturday. Umuwi na si Mister kasi it seems like they're not gonna give him a lot of work this week because it's because of the Easter. Is it because of that? So anyway, imbes na Sunday siya uuwi, nakauwi na siya kaninang umaga. Kaya instead of Sunday ang ating grocery shopping day, we're gonna do it today. Kasi nga magiging busy din yung aming buong day or buong time na nandito siya sa loob. Nandito siya, naka-day off siya kasi marami kaming activities na gagawin. So bukas ay magsisimba kami kasi nga it's Easter Sunday, and then after that, first time ni Zayrang Easter egg hunting. So first time niya ma-experience yun. Isi-set up ng aking the baby's laughing. Isi-set up ng aking mom-in-law. And then sa Monday, birthday na ni Zayra. And then sa Tuesday, meron akong check-up. And then Wednesday, babalik na si Mister sa trabaho. So for today, kagaya ng sabi ko, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Walmart para sa ating weekly grocery shopping video and haul. Pero dadaan muna kami ngayon sa aking mga biyanan. Sasamahan niyo po kami. Hi baby. Are you happy? Are you a happy baby? What can you say about the weather today? It's very warm.
Yeah, I guess.
So, chinek ko kanina, ang temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. So, mainit siya. Kaso, hindi ko na napalitan ng shirt si Zayda. Naka long sleeves pa naman siya. Andito na kami sa aking mga in-laws. May kinuha lang si Mister, mga packages. And, ayun, babalutin namin yung mga gifts ni Zayda mamaya after namin mag-grocery shopping sa Walmart.
This AC is leaving something to be desired.
Really. So, itong AC daw ng aming minivan is hindi masyadong maganda. Maybe it needs like, what's that? The Freon stuff?
I'm sure it does.
Kailangan pakaragahan ng Freon. Hindi siya malamig. Dahil nga syempre naman dito kasi nga malamig siya lagi. I don't know, hindi ko rin alam. Kasi nga hindi rin naman ito brand yung nabili. But so far so good. Itong ang nabili namin na minivan. May syempre meron lang talagang mga kaunting dapat ayusin. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-alarming, kumbaga.
Here's milk and buttermilk.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell it to them so they will remind us. Tumamag yung mom-in-law ko nagpapabili ng buttermilk. So, yun. Kailangan matandaan namin na bibili kami ng buttermilk. And yung air conditioner update, naging okay na siya. Mukhang kailangan lang na medyo patagalin. Malamig na.
It's not blowing on Zayda.
Is it?
I don't know what's going on in the back. It should be blowing out of those top vents.
I think it would take time. Like what happened last time?
I don't think it works back there. Or maybe if I push this one.
Ang init talaga ngayon. Pero sana sa bukas at sa birthday ni Zayda is mas maging ganito yung temperature para mas ma-enjoy niya. Do you think this kind of temperature is better when you set up the thing for Zayda's birthday? Ay, isi-set up kasi si
Better than
Mister.
being cold?
Yes.
Yes.
May isi-set up si Mister para sa kanyang birthday. Kami lang wala naman kasi nga kaming mga, aren't you going to invite some of your friends and their children? No. Mga busy ang mga kaibigan nito. So, ayan ang weather natin for today. Sunny and very nice na siya.
It's like hazy.
It's sunny.
There's like
Sunny and
clouds.
hazy.
It's like overcast.
And this one has a lot of hair in his face because he hasn't shaved yet. Inis na inis ako dito kay Mr. pagka meron siyang ano, yung bigote. I'm telling you, I'm so annoyed at you because of your mustache and facial hair. So update nga lang pala guys dun sa pag-file ni Mr. ng parental consent para sa kanyang first daughter. Naka-receive na kami ng letter para sa first hearing sa court. Na-receive namin siya today. So love, what can you say about that? For me, it's kinda, scary because it's gonna affect our finances a lot. But I think that's just how it is, because your daughter is important to you. So we're just gonna do it anyway.
Yeah, I'm not happy about it. Apparently, the mother does not have to come if she doesn't want to. I don't know if she's gonna know that or not. She might think she has to. So I want her to go there and we can negotiate something simple
Yeah.
without a big, disgusting problem.
Yeah, that's what I am hoping as well. So hopefully the mother of her daughter, her first daughter, would,
Yes.
do like an amicable settlement for the benefit of everyone.
I think that I should give her money for how much time I get with Rochelle. If I get a little bit of time with Rochelle, she should get a little bit of money. And if I get a lot of time with Rochelle, she should get a lot of money.
Do you think that's how it's gonna be
No,
if it's already
that's
the
how it
court?
should be if it was fair. Because that's basically what she's doing, is she forced me into this situation where now we're gonna lose all of our money just so I can see Rochelle.
So we don't really know yet how is it gonna be, but hopefully, everything goes well or goes good. And
Do you know that the daughter's mother is kind of insane?
yeah, you said that in the previous vlog when we went to that place where you filed the papers.
So it's extra scary because she is not, a level-headed person. She is not wrapped too tight. She has a screws loose. She's a couple napkins short of a picnic basket.
It's something that's out of our control, so we're just gonna hope for the best. So yan, hopefully is maging okay lahat para at least makita na ni Mr. yung kanyang first daughter and at least makilala na rin niya si Zara. Sa akin walang problema naman kung gusto niyang iwanan sa akin yung daughter niya kasi nag-work yata yun, diba? Okay lang sa akin para at least merong kalaro si Zara and yung second baby. But hindi pa natin alam, so yun talaga, we're just hoping that it would turn out good and walang mangyaring mga aberya problema. Although medyo nakakakaba siya at nakakatakot kasi talagang maapektuhan yung aming finances a lot, big time, right?
What?
It's gonna affect our finances a lot.
Well,
So dito na kami sa Walmart guys. Medyo madaming tao nga ngayon kasi weekend pa rin naman, Saturday. And parang meron silang okasyon doon. May binibigay silang libreng stuff. Pero ayaw puntahan ng step. Ay, rosy cheeks. Sana all rosy cheeks. Sana all hindi kailangan maglagay ng blush on and filter para maging makinis at rosy cheeks. Kumuha kami ng milk. Ayan yung naman ang ating card so far. Ayan, daan na kami dito mamili sa Walmart. Init pa din. Bilis na makad dito ni Mr. Daan na kami dito mamili sa Walmart. Paulit-ulit ang sinasabi ko na. Ay, ang init niya talaga. Pero, mas gusto ko yung ganitong weather kaysa sa malamig. Nag-cardigans pa rin ako kasi nga naka-sleeveless. Ayaw ni Mr. na lumabas ako ng naka-sleeveless. Grabe. Sobrang baba ng ano.
Hey, do you want to see something cool?
What?
Look at this shirt.
Ay! Where did you get that shirt? Sobrang baba ng aming ano, pinamili ngayon, yung total. Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo after natin mag-grocery shopping haul. Nakakatuwa kasi at least mababa na siya. Kasi yung mga nakaraan, sobrang natataasan talaga ako. Hindi kasi kami bumili ng masyadong madami dahil nga meron pa naman natira from last week. Hingal ako. Ang bilis kasing lumakad dito ni Mr. Parang nakalimutan niya yatang buntis ako. Lagi yan nagmamadali. Ang bilis-bilis niya lumakad. Eh, syempre ang tangkad niya. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang height niya is 6 feet. So, ako ay 5'2 lang. So, syempre yung steps niya, ang lalaki. Yung sa akin, ang liliit lang. Tapos, mabagal pa ako maglakad dahil nga buntis. Ay, nako.
Look,
I'm telling them that, what is this?
this shirt has been missing for like 10 or 15 or 20 years or something.
Acid Bath. This is your favorite band?
Yeah, I thought my ex-girlfriend took that shirt, but it was in my father's closet the whole time.
Love, this wouldn't fit you. It would fit me.
Yeah, it's for you.
I think it would still, it would still fit you. Try it.
I think it's the same size as me.
Show them your muscles. Puro pa. More bubbles. Clown na naman si Mr. Naka-Easter bunny yung headband. Best friends na kayo ni Dada mo, baby.
My hair is crushing my brain. My hair is squeezing my brains into mush.
So we are back home, guys, and let's start with our grocery shopping haul. So meron tayong eggs, and then Ben and Jerry na ice cream, paper towels, cheese dip. So we also have 3 different kinds of whole milk, chocolate milk, butter, and then gluten-free wafers. Ito yung kinakain ni Zeta kanina doon sa Walmart. Pizza rolls, sliced pepper jack, dark chocolates, spam, ham, chicken wings, chicken nuggets, olives and pickles, toothpaste, and then oral care kit, jasmine rice, 2 packs of strawberries, 2 bags of grapes, mangoes, 2 bags of apples, ground pork, mini croissant, easy steam compact iron, and then bumili din ako ng maxi dress. Ayan siya. Extra small yung size. Celery hearts, bananas, avocados. Yung avocados nilang liliit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. And last one is yung melon. So, ayun lang yung pinamili namin today, and super happy ako na hindi siya ganun kataas dahil yung total niya is $212 and 12 cents. Ha? Sabi ni Mr. baka doon nagkamali yung yung cashier. Pero parang hindi naman because we only bought a few.
You bought an iron and a dress, you know?
I don't know. Basta ito lang, $212 and 12 cents. Maybe you should check.
I don't.
You don't care because it's cheap. So, ayun yung aming pinamili for this week. And tatapusin ko na rin yung vlog dito. So, again pa, everyday yung gagawa tayo ng vlog kasi nga magiging busy kami for the whole time na nandito si Mr. sa kanyang day off. And again, we thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel. And if you were new here, please do consider subscribing, and if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are interested, if you have kids, please do consider subscribing to my husband's YouTube channel, which is Rosie the Literacy Clown. Maraming matututunan din yung inyong mga anak. So again, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you so much for your support. We heart you and see you again next time. Bye!